penfo be jina krom kekai and you be never catch us say ejuma we dey ejuma I was here so many boa me I call this premiere in Ebano, my friend, the resurrection of Ghanaian movie industry. Ejumane seba, etimeka industry players ne say, Royal View Cinema, we are here to produce or promote made in Ghana productions. Enti osha, ye produce ye premium movies bebre. But the person fa at the side went to production and our industry players name say, yenye juma papamra. Na yeso so yen fa ya hoden. Any ye nim die, any die ye wo, ye facilities ye wo, emfa one project we juma no na intumin quetry. And again, sininu ye wia, ye ni NFA, National Film Authorities, ene ye juma. Obi any dem ha o ye sini ye juma, obega se medium ye me juma, medium na mi baby, NFA for them inform home. Ewo enhyehyɛ was say a go through and sana we see no about train Mr. President NFF for share oma classify a classy work into obane a church or sanyama we nyanya but now go through na fe ne who say Royal View Cinema SG More we are ready to partner with you and help you promote your work now we am kakra o de shame no so nya fa so kakra o ho na ochena wetimi asa call set so aye adwuma ne biom. Enti min semre no ye be pese be unveil the official artwork for Mr. President. Say eneda esononti e monsem. Royal View Cinema the niama gugu akwam say on the 26th of August moba ye din kra kire Royal yen obi a ori cinema bia ye treating said this year. And we have the regular cinema, Kesiano FA 150, and the executive cinema, and also for 40. And then we have the super executive, and for 30. But who Rema, ye treat you said this year. What you say, you won't go for you train you well enough, say, they welcome you from the entrance, lead you to your place. What chance now we you know, Yasabe Busa said, then I've been I didn't even from row. And I feel I was sorry because if you're not seeing of a pan, but I was sorry I could drink a we have people who are there to serve you like a king or like a royal. 26th August, a festival of movie. A new movie be I say, Mr. President. Me say, yeah, what them when you be on the phone. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mr. President. Hashtag on your status right now. Obi on the phone. Type on your status. Hashtag Mr. President. On your status. Hashtag Mr. President. 26th August. Tell a friend to come to Royal View Cinema. And let's treat you like a royal. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, 27th. Definitely we will have the royal feeling at Eshimo. It's memory fee near Twaso. But only data card, remember free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi, I only data card you say about Twaso. Now we're going to take the cast reactions. Let me say, you're introducing Kofa movie, they were part of the whole movie that we shot. But the question is, ubetimi ni a chat, sini. But feeling na nipa ni benya so be say ye ni desin ni je say dia no ohwe so be hu sinim ne nsakan na say ne nsanka no it will just be fair say me je amom no so I share the ideas and their thoughts about the movie tea. We dey random at 3 people na ye hu the omo work am patcho to Mr. President wife.
Okay, wonderful people. Me mama kwaba e de bajume dey ase. Me doing the Angie's Boots, the first lady of Omofia. Me pacho bibi brief me pese me kan about personality. In fact, samusha mi kunu Mr. President, you could see say age difference na esun. And what I want to say is that I am a suspense myself in the movie. Osha me ne omumi and somuti 1, 2, 3. And you could tell say age difference, and that is a suspense in the movie. It's me a job say Umbra on the 26th of this very month, August. Number Mr. President movie premiering. Thank you.
Sure. Expectations no. Energy minister, but also become big.
Madam Pennyfoss, immediately a free force. Media Shadakam a Aligantus. Now, Caligantus, not just all the baby they can home. Aligantus baby, no make Chelsea. So what I say. Bushia for artists, any media, dear, and we are no cry. Because me would meet if you crowd beat me, but obey interview me, not the mere call, say, be any radio so and TV so. Now, the American Mr. President in one. For me, say a movie, SS Obia, me shebi. Me na me energy minister. Na me kra me kania ye twemu. Me laptop ye juma den. Papa bi o twemu. Enu nti se wo ha no. Se obehwe sa movie we ya. Eno na ebe kire wo se mimi no mienu ena oman ya yetimi ye ni yie ana empanifo a ewom ena ye ni yie bra na behwe bi na ebeboa me dem nyina ase.
Yeah, better as you want penny for us to say, no one track on any more at me at twice. Obviously, and if I chose to become bigger,
Yo, Abusian for me friend Abusian for because we are all family members in our vocation. Before I go forward to say anything, at some of the person may come back on Eddie kindly say, in recent times, me who or TikTok I see me but Ebusian for baby I'm imagining HM pefe say me ngui at age 72 I'm still bouncing. Yeah, it's me ngui. Ebusian for I think we need to ask questions. Of all the continents, as I see so, the most richly endowed with natural resources is Africa. So why is Africa the poorest? Now, as some Americans say, it is a question of leadership. Leadership is cause, every other thing is effect. So we share African continent, a free independence era na baby sit at time we are. Me the imagine me say a leadership and a failure. If we go to the Asian tigers, now you know we were the same level. Now we were even ahead of them. A year then Singapore, Malaysia, any woman on top of us when economic development near there. It is because they got some selfless leaders. Selfless. And they succeeded. And the African continent, in spite of all the natural resources that God has endowed us with. Let's ask questions. Let's ask questions. Na yentotu ya na monye sanye be ya ye continenti ebe konenim. Na someone you put aside the leadership question. The other side of the coin